I'm about to dig into this new Jackie Aina palette. Has to get a little ice cream up in me. But I already did my eyebrows. I use pomade for my brows. I'm finna go get me a new a pencil because I'm tired of using pomade. I like to switch it up every now and then. They're equally as effective. I just like to use pencils like when I'm on the go because sometimes I do my makeup in the car and having to pull out a brush and then unscrewing a pomade and all that can get time consuming when you gotta rush and hurry up to do your makeup, you know? So that's why I want my pencil. Brows are my favorite part. All right, so I'm just putting concealer on my lids to prime them so I can make the shadows pop. Actually, I think I have my white concealer down here, so I'm gonna put the white one on. I don't know what colors I'm using today, and I'm doing a basic look because my children are sleeping, so I don't want to get too intricate and then get deep all in this mess and they wake up and then I'll be upset. Dang, that was all up in my grill. Do a cavity check. All right, base me up, Scotty. All right, let's get into these shadows. Look, it's so pretty. I stan Jackie Aina. Say what y'all want. I know it's a lot of controversy about her, but I've been watching her since she was Little Pumpkin Power 5. And she has been glowing up, getting deal after deal, and I'm just happy for Sis's glow up. Oh, it's a brush that come in here. I'm gonna use these brushes, and then if I need to use my own, I use my own. So pretty. So I really liked Sponsored. I like Zam too. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna, we just gonna play. I'm gonna take edges right there. And I'm gonna buff edges out. Edges. Then I'm gonna take Credit, which is this deep brown. Go right underneath edges and get that in. This right here, just this alone. Just this alone is a look, sis. Like it's a. I'm here for it. This is amazing, Jackie. Thank you for slaying my life. Like I just can't even. I just can't even. Oh, FYI, your girl ain't got no foundation on, and my skin is flourishing. It looks good. I'm gonna just do Sponsored. It's really pretty. It's a duochrome, so it pairs really well with Credit because it has brown undertones. I think I'm gonna take Dwellers and put Dwellers in my inner tear ducts to make this pop. I'm gonna go back in with Credit on the outer V. Dollars will pop even more if you wet your brush. Just a little bit, wet it just a little bit, and dollars would be whopping, sis. I didn't wet mine, but now I'm gonna go in my inner tear ducts with Zam. I'm gonna take Zam and put her in my inner tear ducts. Zam is a good holiday color. She's a good like Christmas picture color. Like, let's get super glam for this Christmas party. She's that's her. That's this. I'm gonna go ahead and prime because it's hot as literally hot as hell in Houston. So I'm gonna prime, make sure my makeup don't slide off my face. And I'm not gonna use my usual Juvia's Place foundation because Juvia's Place transfers really bad if I don't sit like for the gods. And I'm gonna be outside today because we're going to Pearland Town Center and it's an outdoor mall. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use Kat Von D because I know she's gonna stay matte all day and I don't have to worry about shining through with her. Although I love the color of the Juvia's Place foundation. We're just gonna have to go with Kitty Cat today.
Do you think Zeke is gonna be back with the Cowboys in Week 1? I'm not convinced. I mean, I don't understand. Jerry has the money. He knows how important Ezekiel Elliott is.
See, this foundation is for when you need like a full face, like beat down, like it's like you need to look like snatched, like what skin? That's this foundation. But like I said, it stays put, it doesn't move. So all right, so we're going to contour.
And he can start the season realistically 0-3. This would be over. He's trying to roll the dice and play a game that could wind up burning Jerry Jones and the Cowboys. I don't understand. Pay people who produce, and that's what he pay him what, the Le'Veon Bell money or the Todd Gurley money? Pay that guy what he deserves, and whatever that is, you got to figure it out. Okay. You got yachts, you got plenty of money. It's not like the Cowboys don't have money to pay.
Let's throw them out. Let's start with the first two games. These are division games. I don't care what the record of either of these teams.
Yes, Michael Jackson me. I don't feel like looking that beat today. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's hot. And then you know how people be like, oh, I don't see how girls wear makeup in the sun. They're gonna shut up. Just face this, teach me. And I'll teach you. Stop all that hating. You ain't getting nowhere doing all that hate, sis. Judge your mama. Stop worrying about what I got going on in my life. Judge your mother. Okay. It's low calorie ice cream. Of course you wouldn't like it because you like full calorie everything.
Low calorie?
Yes.
Low calorie?
See? Heart attack me, sis. That's you.
Low calorie ice cream?
Yo, language, my G.
Fam, you either want to be healthy or you don't.
You either want to get off of my nuts or you don't. You are top 10 most annoying people I've ever met in my life.
Really not.
You? Can you stop, Brody?
Oh, I can't do nothing in this house, boy.
And bring me my Reese's and my kombucha. Do you want people to hear you talking to me all crazy? Because I ain't editing nothing out. Y'all hear that, folks?
I thought we were crazy.
Call Wife Protective Services. Because he is bugging. He's tripping. I don't know what's wrong with him, y'all. I didn't do nothing to this sir. He's losing it. He's confused. The next time I make a post like, oh, I'm so fat, report me to this video where I sat there and ate like 3 spoonfuls of ice cream and then proceeded to follow up with a Reese's. That was the fattest thing I ever did.
This is nuts.
I'm done. That's a look. But I'm impressed. I like it.
Bye.
Down below.